Clouds over Aylesbury, 27th of April, Part 1. Please enjoy and hope you would like to comment at the end of the video or during the video. We are around 5 miles north of the Chiltern Hills, and therefore there are red kites, blackbirds, starlings, pigeons, seagulls, because of the type of weather we currently got at the present, or recently either way, along with a number of other lovely birds around at the present time. The main types of clouds that we are getting at the present time are blanket clouds as such, which are made up of a number of type of cumulonimbus clouds which are just linked together as such, along with standard fluffy clouds, again form of cumulonimbus, along with pilocumulonimbus, which are almost, they might also be known as towering clouds for the fact that they tower. They are quite tall, none of which are in view at the present time. They look almost like a tall tower structure within the sky. The base tends to be quite low, a bit like the clouds are at the present time, although they are a bit more mid to low level as opposed to any other level as such. In my personal eyes, about 99.999, and all the other nines that go with, of clouds are absolutely beautiful, purely because they are so varying, and there is quite a difference between one given type of cloud and another, just in the colourings, the way how they form. I appreciate that's partially due to the wind, partially due to the molecular structure of the given type of cloud that it is. A number of different factors come into that given cloud, and you would never see that given cloud in that given spot, that given item, area, etc. again. So it's quite unusual. It's a one-off, and really is quite the definition of a one-off. For example, momentous clouds, you will not see those around here. We don't seem to have the atmosphere for that. You may see momentous-like clouds or very small momentous clouds, but you won't see the you don't tend to see very much of a momentous clouds structure. I mean, I'm actually trying to see if I can see one, which you can't, or at least I can't at the moment. I cannot, as there's no such word as can't, not in my mind really. It's not viewable. The type of atmosphere, at least at the present, won't produce momentous clouds. I'm not entirely sure of the exact circumstances that require them, or produce them I should say. However, they tend to form over huge land masses from what I've studied and seen of them, and they tend to be, when it's huge storms tend to follow after them, to which neither of which we are due.